In the previous lecture, we discussed combination if all things are distinct. In this lecture, we are discussing combination if all things are identical or out of all things, some things are identical. To explain this one, I am taking one example. So that example is, suppose we are taking three identical blue pen. Okay, so all are identical, so there is no difference between any pen. So we are taking three blue pen. Okay, in other side we are taking three distinct pen. Okay, red, green and blue. So we are taking three distinct pen, red, green and blue. Okay, so here all three pen are distinct. Okay, so from these three pen, if you want to select zero pen, then how many ways are there? Okay, so total ways of selecting zero pen. Okay, that means you are neglecting all the pen. So how many ways are there? That is one way. Okay, selection of zero pen is what? One way. Okay, suppose from these three pen, if you want to select one pen. Okay, so how many ways are there? So here total ways of selecting one pen. Okay, so you want to select one pen. So how many choices we have? Either we can take red or green or blue. So how many choices we have? Three choice. So out of three choice, you have to select one choice. Correct? Na? So that is 3C1. So how many ways are there? Three ways. Okay. Similarly, if you want to select two pen, then how many ways are there? So here total ways of selecting two pen. Okay. So you can take either red and green. Okay. So these two pen you can take, or you can take green and blue. Okay, or you can take red and blue. Okay, if you check here, red and green, these two combination and these two combination and these two all three combination are different. Okay, so total ways of selecting two pen is what? How many ways are there? Three ways. Okay, similarly, if you want to select all the pen, selecting all pen. Okay, so how many ways are there? One way. You have to select all the three pen. So you have to select red, green and blue, all three pen. So how many ways are there? One way. Okay, now here you come. Okay, so there are three blue pen. Okay, all are identical. So from here, if you want to select zero pen, okay, so how many ways are there? Total ways of selecting zero pen. So how many ways are there? Only one way. You are neglecting all the three pen. Okay, suppose here if you want to select one pen. Okay, so total ways of selecting one pen. Okay, so all are identical. If you take this blue pen, okay, so can you identify which pen is blue? This one or this one or this one? Because we can't identify here. Okay, so we are taking one blue pen here. All are identical, so there is no difference. So selecting one blue pen is what? Only one way. So how many ways are there? One way. Here we are getting three because we have red, green and blue. Okay, selection of red is different than selection of green and different than selection of blue. Okay, and here we are selecting blue pen, so all are identical. So selection of one blue pen is what? Only one way. Similarly, if you want to select two pen, okay, so total way of selecting two pen. Okay, so you are selecting two pen from here. Okay, so you are taking two blue pen outside. Okay, so can you identify which two blue pen you are taking? Okay, because these two blue pen is same as these two blue pen, is same as these two blue pen. Okay, so all are same. So how many ways are there? Only one way. Similarly, select total ways of selecting three pen. Okay, so that is also one way. Okay, so from here we can say that if we have n identical blue pen, okay, so from these n identical blue pen, if you want to select one pen, so how many ways are there? That is one, because all are identical. And if you want to take two pen, that is also one way, because all are identical. If you want to select zero pen, that is also one way. And if you want to select all the pen, that is also one way. So from here we can say that if we have n identical things, from n identical things, if you want to select r things, then how many ways are there? That is also one way. So from here we can say total ways of selecting r things out of n identical things is 1. Okay, so from here we can say that total ways of selecting r things out of n identical things is 1. Okay, so from here we can say that total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 things out of n identical things is n plus 1. So from here we can say that total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 things out of n identical things is n plus 1. How this will come? Okay, we know this point. This point is what? Total ways of selecting r things out of n identical things is what? 1. Where r is what? 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Okay, so here if r is what? 0, so total ways of selecting 0 things out of n identical things is what? 1. If r is 1, then also we'll get 1. If r is 2, then also we'll get 1. Okay, and here we want total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 things. Okay, so if we want 0 things, so r is what? 0. Okay, so selecting 0 thing is what? 1 way. Okay, suppose you want 1 thing, so r equal to 1, so that is also 1 way. Suppose you want 2 things, so r is what? 2, that is also 1 way. Suppose you want all the things, so r is what? N, so that is also 1 way. Okay, so like that if you add r equal to 0 to r equal to n, so what will come? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so on. Okay, so what will come? This if you add, what will come? N plus 1. So we can say that total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 things out of n identical things is n plus 1. Okay, so these 2 points you have to remember. So first point is this one, second point is this one. Now we are discussing combination if out of n things some things are identical. To explain this one, I am taking example. So first example is, suppose we have 4 pen. Okay, out of 4 pen there are 2 identical blue pen and 2 identical red pen. Okay, so there are 4 pen, 2 blue pen and 2 red pen. Okay, so from these 4 pens, suppose you want to select 0 pen, then how many ways are there? Okay, so total ways of selecting 0 pen. Okay, so how many ways are there? That is 1 way. You are neglecting all the pen. Okay, next is what? Suppose you want to select 1 pen, then how many ways are there? Okay, so total ways of selecting 1 pen. Okay, so either you can take blue pen or you can take red pen. So there are how many ways? 2 ways. Okay, you can take blue or red. So how many ways? 2 ways. Suppose you are selecting 2 pen, then how many ways are there? So total ways of selecting 2 pen. Okay, so either you can take what? Both blue, or you can take what? Both red, or you can take what? 1 blue and 1 red. Okay, you can say that all 3 combinations are different. Okay, so if you want to select 2 pens, so how many ways are there? There are 3 ways. Next is what? Suppose you are selecting 3 pen, so total ways of selecting 3 pen, so that will be, okay, so you have to select 3 pens. So how many ways are there? Okay, you can take 2 blue and 1 red, or you can take 2 red, 1 blue. Okay, so how many ways are there? There are 2 ways, and you can see that both are different. So how many ways? 2 ways. So what will come here? 2. Now suppose you want to select all the 4 pen, then how many ways are there? So total ways of selecting 4 pen, so that is 1 way. You have to select all the pen. Okay, now here if you want total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 pen equal to. Okay, so here we want total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 pen. Okay, so you can select 0 pen also, you can select 1 pen also, you can select 2 pen also, you can select 3 pen also, you can select all the 4 pen also. Okay, so selecting 0 pen, how many ways? 1 way. Plus selecting 1 pen, that is 2 ways. Plus selecting 2 pen, that is 3 ways. Plus selecting 3 pen, that is 2 ways. Plus selecting 4 pen, that is 1 way. Okay, so if you add this one, what will come? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, plus 1, that is 9. So total ways what? 9. So total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 pen is what? 9 ways. Okay, now we will discuss direct method for finding this one. We want total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 pen. Okay, so what you will do? You can see that here we have 2 blue pen and 2 red pen. Okay, so first what we will do? We will find out total ways of finding 0 or more than 0 blue pen. Okay, so selecting 0 blue pen is what? 1 way. Plus selecting 1 blue pen is what? 1 way. Plus selecting 2 blue pen is also 1 way. Okay, so we got total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 blue pen. Okay, then we have to multiply here because we want to select from red pen also. Okay, so we have to multiply here total number of ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 red pen. Okay, so selecting 0 red pen is what? 1 way. Plus selecting 1 red pen is also 1 way. Plus selecting 2 red pen also 1 way. So what will come? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, into 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So what will come? 9. So answer is 9. So total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 pen is what? 9. And here also same. So this way we can find out directly also. I'm taking one more example. So that is, suppose we have 5 pen. In this one, 2 identical blue pen, 2 identical red pen, and 1 green pen. Okay, now here we want total number of way of selecting 0 or more than 0 pen. Okay, here we want total number of way of selecting 0 or more than 0 pen. Okay, so we are using direct method. According to direct method, first we have to select blue pen. Okay, so first we are selecting blue pen. So here we have to find out total number of way of selecting 0 or more than 0 blue pen. Okay, so after finding this one, we have to find out for red pen also. Okay, so we have to multiply it because task is not over. Okay, after that we have to find out total number of way of selecting 0 or more than 0 red pen. Okay, after selecting red pen, we have to select green pen also. So we have to multiply here total number of way of selecting green pen. Here also 0 or more than 0. Okay, so first we have to select blue pen. Okay, so how many blue pen have we? Have 2 pen. Okay, so we can select 0 pen also. Okay, so 0 blue pen, so that is 1 way. Plus we can select 1 blue pen, so that is also 1 way. We can select 2 blue pen also, that is 1 way. Okay, so after that multiplication, we have to select red pen also. So there are 2 red pen. Okay, so 0 red pen 1 way, plus 1 red pen, that is also 1 way, plus 2 red pen, that is also 1 way. Okay, after selecting red pen, we have to select green pen. Okay, so there are 1 green pen. Okay, so selecting 0 green pen 1 way. Okay, and selecting 1 green pen, that is also 1 way. So here what will come? 3 into 3 into 2. So that will come what? 18. So total way is what? 18. Okay. If you want to solve this problem by first method, then what you will do? There are 5 pen. Out of 5 pen, 2 identical red pen. Now, if you want to solve this one, now if you want to solve this problem by using first method, then what you have to do? We want total number of way of selecting 0 or more than 0 pen. Okay. So if you want to select 0 pen, r equal to 0. So that is one way. Okay. Now, if you want to select 1 pen, so r equal to 1. So either we can take blue pen or red pen or green pen. So how many ways? There are 3 ways. Now r is what? 2. Okay. So if you want to select 2 pen, so we can take what? Both are blue, or we can take both are red, or we can take one is blue, one is red, or we can take one is blue, one is green, or we can take one is red, one is green. So how many ways? 5 ways. Next is what? If you want to select 3 pen. Okay. So what are the way? We can take 2 blue, 1 red. We can take 2 blue, 1 green, or we can take 2 red, 1 blue, or we can take 2 red, 1 green, or we can take what? 1 red, 1 green, 1 blue. So there are 5 ways. Now if you want to select 4 pen, r equal to 4. So we can take 2 blue, 2 red, okay, or we can take 2 blue, 1 red, 1 green, or we can take 2 red, 1 blue and 1 green. Okay, so there are 3 ways. Now if you want to select 5 pen, so that is one way. Okay, we have to select 2 red, 2 blue and 1 green. So total is at 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. So what will come? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 4 plus 5 is what? 9. 9 plus 5 is what? 14. 14 plus 4 is what? 18. So total is what? 18 ways. So like that we can solve by first method.